Hey, my name is Missionary Paulie B, and I'm excited to be on here. I'm a local minister here in Oregon as well as a traveling minister, and I ran across Dave online, and I just want to share a testimony of how he blessed us. My wife and I were trying to create a way to get some extra funds, and as pastors, as full-time ministers, there's not a lot of money in the ministry, you know what I'm saying? So it's always trying to figure out ways to get by. And so I looked into flipping phones. I bought a course. The course was helpful. It was good. It got me going a little bit. But I had a lot of questions, and I actually had a lot of questions about detailed things that I couldn't get a lot of responses, and I couldn't get anybody to kind of really show me what it looks like and to help me make sense of it all. And it was really cool because I got to run on to Dave, and Dave had a free course he introduced me to that actually began a whole revolution for my life. It was really amazing because, I started out with about $200 or $300. I was flipping some phones. I was making a lot of mistakes in between of trying to figure it out, buying phones that weren't right, weren't good, and I was trying to, losing a lot of people because I was trying to go through all these different formulas and systems and ask them all these questions, and I'm wondering why am I not getting deals? Why are things not happening? And then I ran on to Dave, and he taught me something in his free course, about buying phones as bad ESNs and selling them as bad ESN, and I'm like, really? So I started trying it, and it began to work for me. It was really awesome, as well as he gave me some really cool negotiation tips. And then he introduced me to his paid course. Now, his paid course, I'm really enjoying this course as I'm going through it. I'm learning some really amazing things. And what this has helped me to do, and what Dave's helped me to do in this whole thing, was literally take about $200 or $300 and take a struggling phone flipper, and within probably, I would say, less than 30 days right now, we've been able to create about $1,500 cash, and as well as umpteen phones still to sell, which is pretty exciting. Now, proof is in the pudding. Let me show you. Okay, right here. These are some of the phones and stuff that I have still to sell. We got everything from a Note 9s to iPhone 6s, 7s, 8s, and some older phones, as well as notepads, and a bunch of cash here, probably about close to $1,500 cash on top of the phones. Now, this has been amazing for me because I was struggling so much just to make $100 or $50, and as I began to go through Dave's course, as I began to learn, as he really extended, a lot of information and really helped me out a lot, that helped me to be able to produce some money and really get off the ground and get some traction into this thing. So I wanted to show you, because proof is in the pudding, so you don't think I'm just talking out my backside, that really this thing is working. Dave's course is really blessing me. I mean, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I think 9 phones to sell, about $1,500 cash. And guys, about probably, I would say 26 days, 27 days ago, I had maybe a couple $100 cash, and I was struggling to get 1 or 2 phones. So it's been amazing. It's been a super blessing to me and my wife. I'm excited to see where this is going to go over the next few months. My goal is to get this thing up to 20 and 30,000 somehow. I don't know. I'm just believing for it. Right? I'm believing for big things, and I'm learning as I go. I'm making a lot of mistakes, as well. I'm still learning a lot of negotiation skills, which Dave is helping me, and the key is I'm finding is in the course I'm learning, but the real key is taking what I'm learning and activating it in my everyday life as I'm out and about. So I'm learning as I go and actually do this thing. But listen, I'm making a lot of mistakes on the way. But look it, this is what mistakes are getting me, right? They're getting me all this, right? So I'm making mistakes on the way and making money. So I just want to encourage you, get a part of Dave's course, get involved in this, watch what it's going to do to you. Go make some mistakes, because just like I'm making a few mistakes, I'm learning through the course how to not make those mistakes, but I'm also making money because Dave's course works. It's been helping me and blessing me, and I know it'll bless you. So have an amazing day. God bless. This is Missionary Paulie B. Check it out.